Hello everyone, welcome to my practice series in which we discuss on some topics. So let's start it. So I choose very interesting topic for today. The topic number 1 is what is the programming language, and the topic number 2 is and the what is the higher and lower level of this programming language. So let's the what is the programming language. So most of them are not belonging to tech background, or uh, not much not have much knowledge about the what is the programming language, or etc. But someone or somewhere he hear that a Python or AI, or C language, C++, or Java, like Kotlin and etc. So what is these languages? So l- uh, let's suppose an example, like there is a two-person. The one is from one is from Japan, and he not know about Hindi, and not know not and cannot understood Hindi, and only speak and understand in Japanese. And the another person is can speak and understand Hindi as well as Japanese, but he is in complex, or very it is a very difficult. So if we want if the third person enter between them, and he speak in Hindi, like मुझे ये काम करके दो मुझे ये काम करके दो तो then the Japanese person is not understand what the third person is saying, and he not work well. So we first saying our instruction to the second person, which can understand Hindi as well as which can understand Japanese. So the second person understand Hindi in instruction, and then he convert into a Japanese instruction, and then he passes to the Japanese person, and then Japanese person understand this instruction, and then he work well as per the instruction. So the second person which take which take instruction from the third person in Hindi, and convert them into a Japanese, and passes this instruction to the first person. So this is like the second person is assumed as the programming language. So I can explain. The our machines are only understand binary. Confused someone are confused how machine can understand binary. So let's you see a bulb or tube light. You can only turn on or off them, like bulb is glowing or not glowing, so it is in off mode. So this same like this, a machine, any machine, like a computer, or a like computer is the advanced form of the machine, like the small component of machine, it can be either on or off. When it is in on, then it is considered as the one, and when it is off, it is considered as the zero. So machine can understand either on or off. This both instruction are machine can understand, and no other instruction can be understand. So machine can understand only binary language, same like the Japanese person. And we humans are can understand and speak in multiple languages, but we can connect, or we can thoughts, or if we want to, and if we want to instruct a machine that a work is perform a work, or do this, or etc., then we need to we need to understand machine in their in that those language. So like we can also understand binary, but in small instruction. For a very large instruction we also understand, but it is very difficult to understand such a large instruction, or such a large binary number like 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, like this. So it is a very difficult to understand by human. So we we make a we make a language, we make a program, uh, or a software. We make a software. The programming language is actually a system software. So we make a software in in which we in which we input some our thoughts, or our instruction, and he convert them in this instruction into binary language, and then he passes it to computer. And when the computer perform that work, then he then the computer then the perform that work, or the machine perform that work. So this is the this is the actually this is the actually the concept of the programming language. Someone, by my explanation, someone doubt that how can we explain, or how can we communicate with, or how can we input our thoughts, or our instruction, like into the programming language. So programming language is also is like a Hindi or English, in which we use particular keyword. Like for example, in English we use go. go go means go. It means we going, the someone is going, or someone is moving from one places to another. So in Hindi we use जाना, यानी कि एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर जाना. तो there is some keywords or some particular syntax in which we put in instruction, like she is going. So this is a particular grammar rule that the is occur between the she and going. she is going, this is the grammatical rule. Similar in Hindi, वह जा रहा है, तो मतलब वह जा रहा है, तो ये पूरा एक वाक्य है. इसमें हम आगे पीछे करके हम समझ सकते हैं, पर मशीन नहीं समझ सकती. सो मशीन कैन नॉट बी अंडरस्टैंड द मिस सिंटैक्स और द messy syntax. So this is the there is some keywords and syntax exist in the programming language. So like in C, for like in C language, for printing an integer like 5, 10, -13, -5, etc., are 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 input or output using an format specifier like %d. So this is a keyword like %d is indicates the integer. So this is, there is a there is a particular keywords and syntax, and also a fully grammar which helps to make a proper language. So programming language is just like Hindi or English, but he is used to communicate with the machines, and it is like an interface between a machine and us humans. So this is the programming language, and I think time is over. So we discuss the second topic, what is the higher level programming language and the lower level programming language, in tomorrow. Okay, bye bye, see you again.